INEC must do everything possible to protect records, to protect documents, to protect the server. We don't want any story that there was fire incident or fire engulfed INEC office or something happened and materials were destroyed.
Guys, to DIGINAIJA, we say we love you, we like you, we do Happy New Day. Okay, very quick one. Dino Melaye don't come outside tell us say may they no burn down INEC office. She because he know the signature ni, abi because he know see some evidence they there we say if he expose INEC people. I don't even understand. I beg my people. I don't want me to burn INEC office. I know want Nigeria safe no one because now there our evidence they. I like. Anyway, we are going to be listening to what he's saying. And if you get one or two things, maybe say yourself, you observe or in speech, I beg, let's hear it from your comment section. Let's see it under the comment section. Don't forget, this is DIGINAIJA. If you never follow us, do it to follow, like, share. If you find a video for me to, I beg, always the share them. You understand? As the art now they bring on from this channel. Okay, we could watch the video together. You understand? We go watch them together. You go see us in talk and waiting be your own reaction. My own be say, made a no burn in the office. Yes, let's watch.
Yeah, fellow countrymen and women, I remain Dino Melaye. I'm making this clarion call because there is a serious need for INEC to not only be very careful, but to work against saboteurs, because INEC must do everything possible to protect records, to protect documents, to protect the server. We don't want any story that there was fire incident or fire engulfed INEC office or something happened and materials were destroyed. From now henceforth, please alert security agencies, the soldiers, police, SSS must protect INEC premises, especially the national headquarters of INEC. We don't want any story tomorrow that there's no evidence to present in court because all the documents transported from the states to INEC got engulfed in a fire incident or it was vandalized or something happened. No, that will not be taken. So from now henceforth, INEC must make sure that every document submitted to the national headquarters is protected and is preserved. We don't want any story. And Nigerians, we have started watching, we will play surveillance around that place and make sure that there is no story concerning all documents. No fire incidents, no vandalization, no flooding or anything that will tamper with those documents. And now we are alerting Nigerians that we will not entertain that. And if you try to go that route, Nigerians will know that we already mentioned it and we already said it. So please, engage security agencies to protect the perimeter fence of INEC and make sure that nothing happens to any document in INEC. No fire incident, no destruction, no vandalization, no flooding. Nothing should happen to any of the documents in INEC because every lie has an expiry date, and very soon the lies of INEC will be expired and the true president of the people, Atiku Abubakar, will reclaim his mandate. God bless Nigeria.
Yeah, thank you all for watching that short clip from DIGINAIJA. We love to see you on our next one. My question for you this morning, this very moment, anyway we are watching us from, is how come Dino Melaye all of a sudden talk about burning of INEC office? Around me, but no need to talk about that. Thank you all. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed, do it to subscribe, love, like, share, and let's hear your opinion in the comment section. See you on our next one. Bye guys.